Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Children, today we are going to learn EVS 2, Chapter 17, Management of the Fort and the Navy. In the first part, we are going to learn about the management of forts. Do you know what is management skill? Management skill means working in a disciplined manner on a task one has undertaken to achieve a definite goal. Management skills of Shivaji Maharaj are visible in the battles he fought and his administrations. Shivaji protected his Swaraj with the help of his forts. Shivaji Maharaj defended the Swaraj by building and capturing about 300 forts in his kingdom. In the book Ajnapatra or Royal Edict, the importance of fort has been summed up. The forts captured by Shivaji Maharaj are of three types. The three types of forts are forest forts, hill forts, sea forts, which is also called as Janjira. Now let us learn what is management of forts. Management of each fort was entrusted to three officials by Shivaji Maharaj. They are Kiledar, Sabnis, Karkhanis. Let us learn the duty assigned to the Kiledar, Sabnis and Karkhanis. Kiledar is Havaldar. To protect and administer the fort, to issue order to the Sabnis and Karkhanis, to follow government orders, instructions and letters. The duties assigned to Sabnis are to keep accounts, record income and expenses on the fort, to collect revenue tax from the subjects on the fort and around it, to handle the correspondence. Duties allotted to Karkhanis are supply grains and goods to the people living on the fort, to arrange for the ammunition for the guns and firearms at the time of war, to look after and maintain the fort and the buildings on it. Next is guns and ammunitions. Shivaji Maharaj undertook the production of cannons of various sizes and ammunition. These guns were used to protect the forts from the enemy. With this, I have ended the first part in which we have learned about the fortification done by Shivaji Maharaj, and in the next part we shall learn about the naval power of Shivaji Maharaj. Thanks for watching.